guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're testing out new drugstore makeup that's kind of gone viral on the internet. So the first product is the e.l.f. Soap Brow. I'm not necessarily sure this has really gone viral, but I've heard so much about it and I really want to try it out. I feel like it's not supposed to be loose in the pan like that, but okay. This is the e.l.f. Soap Brow, and it says to take the Brow Lift applicator and spray the spoolie part. I'm using the Dewy Coconut Setting Mist because I don't have the other one. And then wow, I really like that. I personally think it's easier to just spray the actual product itself, but it says not to do that, or it doesn't say to do that, so I'm not gonna do that. I think that worked pretty well. My brows are definitely like fluffier and featherier, is that a word? than what they were before. You guys know that I love e.l.f. though, so I'm probably gonna love all of these e.l.f. products. So the next thing is primer. Now I've tried this primer before and I only recently got rid of it. It's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This primer is a few years old now, but it's going viral again. So I feel like I need to give it another try and see if I feel the same way about it that I felt a few years ago. So this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys are familiar with the Poreless Putty Primer. It's pretty basic. I know this was so popular when it was there to dupe the Tatcha primer, but I have not used it in a very long time. I'd say at least 2 years probably how long ago I decluttered this, so let's give it a go. I do have the Merit Beauty Great Skin serum on right now, so I don't know if that'll affect it in any way, but I use that every day before my makeup. I don't see much of a difference in my skin. I feel like when I first tried this primer, I was like, yeah, it's a nice primer, but like, okay. It's a bit of a weird concept, the fact that it's like a poreless primer, but it's also hydrating, because it does make your skin feel really nice. I get why people are obsessed with it. I don't know, I guess I feel the same way I felt about it years ago, is that it's just okay. So this next thing I've been so excited to try, and I know I'm a little bit behind on the times, but it's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So this is the lightest shade they have. I know this isn't technically a foundation, but this is the lightest shade, and it's looking a little orange. But the packaging is everything. Ooh, big dofa applicator. I wasn't actually sure what to expect because it's been a minute since I've seen this. I'm not really sure what to expect. I'm assuming not like coverage because it's not a foundation. But we're about to find out together. So I am going to use a brush. I'm using the Laura Lee L11 brush for this. Oh, okay. It's a little bit more pigmented than I thought. Let's see if we can blend that out. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Talk about glow. Holy cow. That is an insane amount of glow. That's not what I was expecting. It said that you can use it as a highlighter, so I guess I should have been expecting this like super reflective glow. But nope, was not expecting that. Oh my gosh, that's insane. This is literally insane. And the coverage isn't bad at all. Like, considering, that's not bad coverage. Look how shiny that is. Oh my god, though. That is absolutely stunning. And like, I'm imagining that the combination of this and the Merit Beauty Glow Serum is just like reflective. Like, you can see your reflection on my face right now. I'm pretty sure. It's absolutely shocking. I'm now gonna go finish up my makeup, and then the last thing I have to test out is a lipstick, and I bet you know what one it is. They're not all e.l.f. products. Okay, so far, I feel like my makeup looks absolutely bomb right now. Like, it looks so good, and I will say that I do think using the putty primer really helped my concealer. I always use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It is my favorite concealer. I just recently repurchased another one because this one's almost out. But I will say, I do think that my under eyes look a lot better than they normally do. They're a little yellowish right now. I may have put too much powder. But I do feel like they don't look, I don't know how to describe it, but I feel like they look better than normal and like softer than normal, and I'm really digging that. So last but not least, I am finally testing out the NYX Shine Loud lip gloss thing. I am so excited to test it out. Honestly, because I don't believe it. Like, I just don't, and I need to try it for myself. I have mine in Cash Flow, I believe is the shade. I love this little heart on the packaging. I think that's so cute. So, the instructions say to apply base coat to bare lips, wait 90 seconds to dry, lock in pigment with glossy top coat. The result is high shine color with 16 hours, 0 color transfer wear. I call BS. I have to see it with my own eyes to believe it on myself, because I cannot imagine that's true. So I have my timer ready. We're gonna do this 90 seconds like it says. Have trouble believing. What is this doe foot? Okay, do you guys see this? I have like a weird little bump on the back. It's like, okay. Anyway, let's go. It's been 90 seconds, and now we're going to apply the gloss. It's a little sticky, it's a little tacky now. That gloss is not sticky at all. The gloss feels really nice, actually. It's like I don't even know how to describe it. It's a very like watery feeling. Okay, so my mom called me, so now the gloss has kind of faded because I was on the phone for a little bit. But like the gloss really makes the lipstick like not dry, which is really nice. But now we're gonna try the transfer test. There is transfer. What do you mean? I mean, there's not a lot. But definitely the part that's like on the inside of my mouth. I feel like, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like if you messed with it, that it would definitely come off. But overall, not a bad lipstick at all. Let me zoom you guys in. Oh, that's out. Can you guys see, like, how it's kind of, I don't even know what the word is to describe this, but you guys can see, like, it's coming off. There's some like cracks where it's missing, but overall you guys can still see the color on my lips, and so like overall I feel like it's probably a pretty good lipstick because it's not gonna stay perfect, but it does stay, which is nice because at least you have some color on your lips. It's definitely not bad. I would recommend it. I would like to try more colors because this might just be a nice lipstick to have if you're going out and you just need something that's gonna last a little bit better than other lipsticks. This might be the case. Though the gloss does not last, so you might want to take it with you if you want to reapply gloss, because like the gloss doesn't stay, which I kind of thought was part of it, the gloss stays, but it's not a 16-hour gloss, that's for sure. So yeah, overall I think these products were really good. They're just like some things from the drugstore that everyone's talking about, and I felt like I finally need to get my hands on it. Overall, I think my makeup looks really good, and I'm really excited about all these products. I definitely think I like the NYX Better Glossy, so if you just want to like reapply the gloss throughout the day, then there you go. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful if you've been interested in these products that are going viral on the internet right now. And if you were curious to see if they all work like they say they work, I think overall, yes. They all seem to work like they say they work. So I'm pretty impressed with these new drugstore products and one old drugstore product that's viral again. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Also, check out my nails. First set of Valentine's Day nails.